In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract all links from any web page to Excel. As an example, we will be exporting news links from CNN. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel. And if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. To extract all links from a web page to Excel, we'll use the Page Link Extractor. Find the bot link in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Search for the Page Link Extractor. Click on the bot name. Click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. Paste one or more web pages. Select notification type. Email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted links to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've extracted all links from our initial web pages to Excel. View the full example file from this video on the bot page. Sign up on Botster and get access to the Page Link Extractor and dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.